The new Samsung NX20 sits at the top of Samsung's latest lineup of compact system cameras. It replaces the NX11 and features a 20.3 million pixel APS-C size sensor. Like the other cameras currently in its CSC range, the NX20 features integrated Wi-Fi. Styled more akin to a DSLR than the other cameras in the Samsung range, the NX20 houses a Swiveling Amoled screen, an electronic viewfinder and flash. The fully articulating screen is particularly useful for shooting images from awkward angles and also means that the screen can be hidden away when not in use. Although not likely to appeal to every user, the EVF is good for composing images in very bright sunshine and includes a proximity sensor for automatically switching the view between the screen and EVF as the eye is brought to the finder. This dial on the top of the camera can be used to change the mode of the camera. The usual PASM modes can be found here, as well as Smart Auto mode, Scene and Wi-Fi mode. As this is aimed at a more serious user, Samsung has decided not to include the same magic mode as found on the NX210 and the NX1000. We think it's a shame not to give fun filter options to users of this camera. The Wi-Fi functionality of the camera can only be accessed when switching to Wi-Fi mode. Different options appear on the screen, including social sharing, email and remote viewfinder. An app can be downloaded for smartphones and tablets to control the camera wirelessly. We could have imagined this being very useful, but the only functionality that can be controlled via the app is the shutter release. It would have been nice to see more controls, such as exposure compensation or aperture available here. The back of the camera is very similar to other Samsung cameras. This scroll dial here can be used to change settings such as aperture. There's also another dial on the top of the camera which is useful for setting exposure compensation or making quick changes when using the camera one-handed. There are currently 9 lenses available for the Samsung NX mount. 6 of these, including the standard 18 to 55mm kit lens, are eye function lenses. This means that the lenses include a button here which can be pressed to access key camera controls such as aperture and sensitivity. Changes are made by twisting the focus ring at the end of the lens. Look out for Gary Wolstenholme's full review on techradar.com.